Hello there, ASC at home, outdoor learning style. The Easter fire has begun, and it's really important just to make sure before you actually go and light this fire, and I failed to say it earlier, make sure your area is nice and clear. Getting back to those regulations again, some councils require at least 3 metres from any structure. So please do check. Have access to water, or if you're lucky enough, an old fire extinguisher, which is a water-based fire extinguisher, and avoid burns too. This fire now is perfectly ready to add another bit of timber to this, so keep my gloves on, just layer it up in the log cabin style again, and we'll slowly build some coal heat so we can cook on this fire tonight. Well, the fire's ready to go. We've just managed to get some stakes onto it. And the beauty of having a fire pit like this is that we can adjust the heat level once that we've got a nice bed of coals in which to cook our food. There's nothing better getting the food on the fire and then just sitting back and enjoying.
And one last thing about fire safety, just make sure that you don't leave the fire unattended, and be careful with the little ones around so there's no opportunity for them to get burnt. And before you go to bed, make sure that the fire is completely extinguished. We wouldn't want to set anything alight, especially our tents if they're close by. Enjoy!